Happy Thanksgiving week.
Happy
We are
Thanksgiving.
here with another yummy Thanksgiving dessert. And this one is, I was super excited about this because I love pecan pie.
I do too.
Vegan pecan pie.
Right?
And this comes from one of my favorite blogs, Chocolate Covered Katie.
It does. It does. She's got some great recipes.
Mm-hmm.
I'm super excited because, so I own a cake shop and I bring all the desserts.
Mm-hmm.
But this year we have like 3 people that are plant-based, myself being one, my brother, and my sister-in-law.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to have pies this year,
Mm-hmm.
which I'm so excited.
I know, and they're made.
And they're
done.
And they're done.
This is fabulous. And the best part, we didn't even know this when we picked the recipe, but it has a little bit of bourbon in it. So I'm anxious to see if we can taste it.
Or did we know?
I don't think we did. I don't think we did. I mean, the alcohol cooks off. It's just the flavor. So you first.
Okay.
Have a bite.
All
This
right.
looks so, I just love the gooiness of pecan pie. Good. I can taste the bourbon.
I was just going to say,
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting the bourbon as I'm
Oh, for sure.
chewing.
So this tastes a little different than a traditional pecan pie,
It does.
but I really like it. It tastes, I'm trying to think what it tastes like. It reminds me of something. Do you want that pecan?
Mm-mm.
Okay, then I'm gonna eat it.
So I think typically in a pecan pie, all the pecans kind of rise to the top,
Mm-hmm.
and then you get that layer of gooey, where, gosh, is it cooked? Is it undercooked? Is it cooked all the way?
Mm-hmm.
But you get that gooey layer. This is like it's mixed all the way through, so there's not that separation.
You're right. It's denser.
It's denser.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's as sweet, which I actually like,
I do too.
because pecan pie usually like you take a slice like that small because you can't finish the whole thing.
So
It's so
rich.
rich. So I like this because it's not so rich.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little denser. And I love the bourbon taste.
I do too. And a dollop of that coconut whipped
I
cream
know.
on there.
I know. That's gonna
Wow.
be delicious.
And that was easy too, I feel like. That was super easy to make.
So we made 2 pies and some pumpkin gooey brownies,
Mhm.
and we were done within 2 hours. And we
Oh,
were waiting
maybe.
for this to bake. Not
I
even
think
2 hours.
we probably only spent a little over an hour doing
Yeah.
stuff, and then we were waiting for stuff to bake. But yeah, it was super simple. So we'll drop the recipe below, but this is really yummy. Chocolate Covered Katie has some great recipes, but we like to put some of those on our channel just to try. But I think it's pretty darn good.
I like it.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm gonna be happy on Thursday.
I'm gonna need another bite. So have a great Thanksgiving.
Peace.
See ya. It's good.
It is good,
Yeah.
but that's the difference.
It's the consistency. You're right.